Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make handmade fertilizer in Heartopia. This item is a special fertilizer that made from your dog's poop, and it can even better than the normal fertilizer. First, make sure your dog carrying hobby is at least level it on the level 2 like this, and when you reach this level you will get the handmade fertilizer recipe like this. And to make this fertilizer, just go to your workbench and then just tap on craft and go to items like this, and then just choose handmade fertilizer, this one. And like this, the main ingredient is your dog's poop like this. Your dog will randomly drop it over time, but be careful, it will disappear quickly if you don't pick it up right away. So maybe many players will miss it, and I actually have a trick to make it easier to collect, but I will share that in another video, so just check on the another video. And then next, when you get this material, just simply tap on craft to make your handmade fertilizer like this. And then you're done. You have successfully made handmade fertilizer. And okay, that's how you can craft the handmade fertilizer in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.